Hey guys, and welcome back. And today I thought I would share with you my nighttime cleaning, sort of like a reset routine that I've got going on here. Things have sort of changed a little bit. Obviously this year my routine has changed because my work has changed, like my hours, and Tahlia goes to school, so things have really changed up for us. So yes, excuse me, I look disgusting. I have no makeup on. I did my cleans today. Today was cleaning day, and then after that I come home. I did a little bit of a mini car service on my own car, and then I actually put on some washing. So that's pretty much what I did. I went and picked Tahlia up from school. I went swimming. She literally bumped her head, like coming down the slide, like literally her whole body was like this, bumped it on the bottom of the pool. Her head's fine, but she's saying her back's sore. I felt everything. When I touch it, it doesn't hurt her. It doesn't feel like anything's out. So yeah, I basically let her stay up and watch a movie and just snuggle, and yeah, I haven't really done much to be honest. So yeah, I'm hoping pretty sure everything's fine. So I'm going to take her to the chiro tomorrow if it's still sore, and just get them to have a little quick look over it just to double check. Yes, and that's pretty much where I'm at. So yeah, I just wanted to share with you the new, sort of back to the old routine. So what was happening is I would do my cleans for my clients, and then I'd usually have like an hour and a half at the end where I could go home and actually do a full house clean on my own house. And now I lose the hour and a half because kinder used to finish at 4:30 and now school finishes at 3:20. I lose that time. It really sucks. So now I've got to like rejig everything, and yeah, so that's sort of where I'm at today. I thought I'd just share it with you, back to sort of my 1 hour cleaning routine and sort of what I do. So I thought I'd just share a quick day, a quick night of me doing it. Now I am out here because I always start off with washing. So this is just from swimming. I put that straight in the wash, and this is what I put in the wash just after I did my cleans. Up here is more washing that I did today. I put that load on in the morning because that was all that I had left, and then I just hung it out when I got back from my cleans. Unfortunately, I still have another load to put on. I have all my cleaning cloths and everything from the cleans today to put on. So yeah, I'm not finished for the night, and it's nearly 9 o'clock.
How do I deal with what I'm feeling? Maybe I just don't. What you do when I'm in ruins, all alone. I'm all alone. I'm all alone. And nothing to do helps me forget about you. You just came out of the blue.
Okay, so now you've seen all my non-negotiables. So I'm going to say my non-negotiables every night has got to be to pick everything up off the ground and put everything back into its place. The other non-negotiable is I always have to make sure that I do a load of washing, and I also make sure that I do the dishes. So I load the dishwasher, and I also do any of the hand washing that I need. There is nothing worse than crap everywhere in the house. I can put up with a dirty house, but I can't put up with a house that has dirty, smelly washing and dishes everywhere. And put it this way, it's one of those things, if you don't do the washing or the dishes, you're always going to end up being in strife at the end of the day. So yes, those are my everyday non-negotiables that I always do no matter what. So if I am feeling really unwell, I'll get those things done, and I might leave the cleaning again to another day. So this part is just the cleaning part. This is a part that I do on a weekly basis. So rather than tackling the entire house at once, I just tackle a zone. So today's zone is actually going to be all the tiled floors. So I'm going to do all the mopping for that. And then I am just tackling the kitchen and the living area. Now, I haven't shown a lot of the kitchen because, as you guys know, I'm doing that little bit of a renovation in there, a bit of a mini makeover. So I didn't want to spoil the splashback that I just finished, but other parts of that kitchen are going to be done as well. So I'm gonna have to really keep you away from there as much as I can in future videos. But yeah, let's get stuck into the weekly cleaning list and things that I do in here on a weekly basis to make this place look good.
It's as simple as it seems, the twinkle in your eyes.
Hi.
The way that time slows down when you kiss me as we fall asleep in a bed of butterflies.
That's peace.
Just
I'll
close
never
your
learn
eyes and then
to make
you'll
my
see it.
6-year-old
You don't
eat at
ever
the
have to
table
look
alone.
too far. You don't have to cover up your scars. You're perfect, darling, just the way you are. So before you think to rip yourself apart, open up my heart and you'll find love, 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 love. Love, love. Open up my heart and you'll find love. It will never grow old, even when we grow up. It's up to us to stop and smell each rose. They're the colors that we show. It's the feeling that we trust. And it's the brush that we both carry. You don't ever have to look too far. You don't have to cover up your scars. You're perfect, darling, just the way you are. So before you think to rip yourself apart, open up my heart and you'll find love.
Yep, that's the time. So rather than me walking through my nice cleaned, mopped, wet floors and dirtying it, I'm going to share with you the end results with you in the morning so you can see what I wake up to and how nice it is to wake up to a really nice clean house. So I'll see you in the morning. Hey, it is morning. I'm really tired because I was up too late last night. I should have started my cleaning earlier. So pretty much what you saw yesterday was my Monday clean of what I normally would clean on a Monday, plus just my non-negotiables of what I clean every day. So if you want to see the other days of the week, then let me know and I will do videos on those, and I might just do a little series of my 5-day cleaning week, and I'll share with you the final result of what it looks like. Now everything is still on the table because I haven't put anything away yet, but I just popped it up on the couch just so that the floors obviously could get swept and mopped under there. So this morning's job now, because I do have morning jobs to do, is to deal with all the dishes that need to be dealt with and to unpack the dishwasher. Anyway, if you do want to see any other days of the week and you want me to make this a little bit of a series of what I do with the rest of my week, then definitely let me know and I'll be happy to make that for you, and I will catch up with you soon for another video. I'll see you then. Bye.